Okay, so here is the first look of Blender. So let's start by creating a new file project. Choose the general. And you will find 3 objects as default: a box, camera, and light. There are several workspaces here like layout, modeling, sculpting, and etc. In the layout workspace we have timeline panel to make some animation. But now we will only use modeling workspace to make a 3D Christmas box. Okay, now before we start, let's learn some basic things you need to know when making some 3D models. First, direction view. Hold this key, then it will show some directions to view. For examples, when you chose top, it will show the model from above. Second, use your scroll button to zoom in or out the model, and drag the scroll button to navigate the view. Third, press G to move, R to rotate, and S to scale the selected model. You can also combine it with the Z/X/Y directions. For example, press G, then press Z to move the model along with Z-axis, and press R then X to rotate the model in X-axis, and press S then X to scale the model along X-axis. Now press Tab on your keyboard to enter the edit mode. There are 3 selection modes. First, press 1 for vertex select. Second, press 2 for edge select. Third, press 3 to face select. Now press Ctrl R to add a loop cut to make the cover for the Christmas box. Hold Alt and left click to loop select the faces. Then, press Alt and E to extrude face along normals. Now let's make the ribbon. Press Ctrl R to make a loop cut, then press P to separate it. Delete unused vertex. Select these vertex and press Ctrl-Shift-B and scroll the mouse wheel to make rounded edges. Right-click and convert to curve. Adjust the depth and extrude it. If your ribbon looks like this, you can fix it in edit mode and adjust the tilt. Set it to 90 degrees. Right-click and shade smooth. If you got a black part with your ribbon, we can fix it. First, we need to convert this ribbon to a mesh. Then go to Object Data Properties tab, go to Normal, and check Auto Smooth button. Now let's duplicate the ribbon. Hold Shift and press D, and rotate 90 degrees in Z-axis. The box looks so flat. So let's add bevel modifier to make smooth edges. Adjust the amount and segments. Then shade it smooth. Now it looks much better. Now let's make a ribbon bow tie. Shift A to add something. You will find a lot here. Let's add path on Curve tab. Go to Edit mode. Set it up like this. Press E to extrude your curve. Once you're done, add depth and extrude it. Press Alt-S to scale it. Alright, now let's duplicate it to 4. Arrange it. Select them all and press Ctrl J to join these 3 objects. You may need some adjustment here. Alright, perfect ribbon bow tie. Almost done. Now let's add a UV sphere to make a golden ball on top of the Christmas box. Ta-da! We done the model, guys. Now go to camera view. You can adjust the resolution you want. Then on the View tab, check the Camera to View button to adjust the camera. You can also play with the focal length. Hold Z key and you will find 4 shading previews. You can try it yourself. We will go with Material Preview first. And now let's color it, guys. Go to Material Properties tab. Rename your material. Let's give red color to the box. Go to Render Preview so we can set the roughness and specular. The less roughness it will be more shiny. The more roughness it will be less shiny. And the less specular it will be more light reflection, and vice versa. You can add material by clicking this plus button here. We will give green color for the ribbon. To make a gold color, you need to less the roughness and add metallic value. We forget something. The ribbon tie looks a bit weird. Add plane. Scale it like this and extrude it. Then add subdivision surface modifier. Go to edit mode and Ctrl R to add some loop cuts like this. We will make a ribbon ends. Duplicate it to 4 and join them all. Now the ribbon tie looks much better, isn't it? Final things. Let's set up the environment, add plane for the base, scale it up. Now we need some lights. So let's add it. First add sun. Set up the position and direction like this. Adjust the strength and the angle value to make a smooth shadow. Add another light for the top and another one for the backlight. We can also change the light color to make some light accent. Now let's duplicate the Christmas box. You can also change the color to add more variation. Play with it, guys. Once you done, so let's render it. Go to render menu and render image, or you can simply press F12 to render it. Wait until it done, and save it. So what do you think? Making 3D model is easy, right? Comment down below if you have any question. Bye bye. See you in the next video.